So this right here is Coco. I posted a video of her on TikTok a couple months ago, and now my bird is more famous than me. I'm looking at the statistics of Coco's video on TikTok, and it has over 748,000 views. Coco, a video of me has only ever gotten maybe 1,000. And you're nearing 1 million, right? Yeah, shake. Dude, dance. Coco, I think it's party time, don't you? Party time? Oh, yeah. No? What do you mean it's not party time? Oh, you're right. Oh, she's getting excited now. Coco, you're going crazy. You're on the wall. Man, you really want... So as soon as I give this to you, we're gonna party, right? Oh, yeah. Alright, yeah, you're right, that's enough. Something that I saw a lot of though, on the viral TikTok video of Coco, a lot of people were commenting that her cage was too dirty. A lot of that is because Coco's a messy eater. But we also got her a brand new cage. She's got tons of toys to play on all up here, tons of places to rest. She's got her water and food bowl. She's even got bells to ring. And she likes to ring those when she's hungry. And she's hungry a lot. Dance.
Coco want a blueberry? What'd you feed her? She's made a mess on your shirt.
I know.
Here, Coco. Pooped on the back.
No.
Come on, Coco.
No.
Do you want a blueberry? Do you want to try blueberries? I'll meet you in the kitchen.
Do you actually want a blueberry? Okay, I guess we're gonna go get a blueberry. Mom, Coco's getting impatient.
What do you like better? Blueberries or strawberries? Like strawberry? Okay, what about blueberry? No blueberry? No strawberry? Okay. I think you just dropped it. Are you sure you want this?
Coco. Coco, you said you wanted them.
You said you wanted blueberries and you lied. This is strawberry.
Coco, I'm going to bed. Now that you're in your home, you can stay up as late as you want, okay? Okay, good night.